Hi, my name is Damian, and I'm a member of the core development team, which maintains and develops the Nethermind Ethereum client. As core devs, our goal is to support the health of the Ethereum the best way that we know, by bringing more stability and performance improvements to our client. We collaborate closely with Ethereum Foundation and Ethereum development community to discuss, specify, and implement features that affect the network. Our interns can contribute to Ethereum improvement proposals such as EVM object format, account abstraction, or vertical trees, just to name a few. And many used to work on historic hard forks like the merge or Shanghai. When working with the core team, you'll have the chance to gain hands-on experience and explore the inner workings of Ethereum blockchain and gain a variety of skills in the middle. This includes mastering the latest version of .NET, an open source development platform, and RocksDB, a key value store that we use for persistence. You'll also gain experience with distributed networks, specifically peer-to-peer networks, which are key to understanding blockchain technology. It's a real opportunity to contribute to key areas of Ethereum, such as EVM, transaction pool, smart contract execution, state database, or JSON RPC. You can master writing modern, highly efficient, and multi-threaded code using the latest version of .NET. Gaining this hands-on experience in working with complex data structures and asynchronous code will be useful in tackling even the most complicated software engineering tasks in the future, whether they are within or outside blockchain space. This also could be a great starting point for your future career in Ethereum and in wider blockchain scene. If you don't think you have enough skills in C# or .NET, don't worry. Our team can bring you up to speed using references to the languages that you may be already familiar with, like C++ or Java, for example. If you're a bit more advanced already, you can jump right in and start contributing to the network right now, or use Nethermind's plugin functionality to add exciting new features. No matter what your next goal is, our team of experienced members is there to guide you. We want to encourage creativity and innovation, and we're very much excited to help bring your ideas into life. That's why don't hesitate, go ahead and apply.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jorge Arce. I am a mathematician by training and a blockchain and cryptography researcher at Nethermind. In our research team, we're always looking into the latest and most cutting-edge protocols and tools in the blockchain space, so we're a pretty good place to learn what is new. Working with us, you'll learn about cryptography concepts such as consensus protocols, signatures, key sharing schemes, and ZK snarks and starks, which you may have noticed are insanely popular these days due to their potential for privacy and scalability. We also work with blockchain solutions such as rollups, liquid staking, decentralized identity, distributed validators, and many, many, many more. You will likely recognize some of the projects that we have had the pleasure to work with. Take Lido, for example, the largest liquid staking protocol on Ethereum, and we help them discover and explore decentralized identity and verifiable credentials. These days, we are researching decentralized dispute resolution mechanisms on Ethereum. These will boost the Lido protocol and will help them bring on board permissionless validators. Then there's Obol, a leader in the field of distributed validator technology, or DVT for short. Our collaboration with Obol is pushing the boundaries of consensus protocols and cryptographic elements, like threshold signatures and verifiable delay functions. A DVT tech is an incredibly cool piece of technology, and will likely have a very large impact on Ethereum as well. So, are you up for it? We're always on the hunt for talented and curious minds. If you've got an academic background in cryptography, computer science, or related fields, or if you're a programming whiz with a deep understanding of the Ethereum protocol, then you might just be the person that we're looking for. But above all, curiosity is key. So if you're on the fence, just take it from a former Nethermind intern who gave it his all and now works in this industry full-time. You never know what doors this program can open for you. Hope to see you inside.
Hello, my name is Joey, and I am the Infra Group Manager at Nethermind. I have been working in IT industry for the last decade and specialize in the infrastructure area. The Nethermind DevOps team works on projects such as node operator. So currently we operate and maintain more than 8,000 validators on both Ethereum mainnet as well as for Lido. Lido is the largest staking provider on Ethereum. By working on this project, you will gain the experience of how to set up alerting and monitoring. We use technology such as Grafana and Prometheus. We'll also have opportunity to work on diverse internal support, which includes architect solutions for other teams in the projects, DevOps support on Voyager, which is a dedicated blockchain block explorer for Stacknets. It includes setting up the infrastructure, improving the infrastructure, as well as the CI/CD automation on each build of the code. We also work on a lot Slackbot integration, Notion integration in-house, and we constantly working on cost optimization on many cloud provider. So by working on this part, you will get not only the Linux operating system skills, as well as the command line tools skills. You will be exposed to programming languages such as Python, Golang, and Bash as a scripting language. You will learn a lot in infrastructure as code toolings that which we use Terraform, and you will gain a lot insights from cloud provider. Mainly it's AWS. That's what we heavily running our production system on. You will be also able to design and implement highly available, secure, and reliable system through working on different projects in this part. As I mentioned, that's about the projects at the Nethermind in DevOps team you will have opportunity to work on. And we're very excited to get you on board. So please apply to this program. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Roberto, and I am the lead for the real-time monitoring team, which is part of Nethermind Security Group. This group consists of 3 teams: smart contract audits, real-time monitoring, and formal verification. The first team is all about security auditing for smart contracts. If you're looking to join this team, keen attention to detail is crucial, as you'll be spotting problems that even the developers may have overlooked. Having a proven track record of uncovering bugs in code and experience with Web3 CTFs or writing security-related blog posts would be great. As part of the team, you'll have the opportunity to enhance your security skills by working on cutting-edge protocols in both the Ethereum and Starknet ecosystems. This includes protocols related to lending, NFTs, staking, auctions, and vesting. The second team focuses on real-time monitoring solutions for blockchain activity. We work closely with the Forta network, which is where we build detection bots. If you want to be a part of the development of these bots, you'll need to research the exploitative techniques attackers use and get familiar with protocols code bases and documentation. By joining this team, you'll strengthen your skills with TypeScript and dive into tools like Ethers.js. You'll also have the opportunity to deepen and broaden your knowledge of the different types of exploits that occur in the Web3 space. The third team focuses on the use and development of formal methods and techniques for formally verifying smart contracts. We primarily focus on using the Lean Proof Assistant to verify EVM-based and Starknet smart contracts and zero-knowledge circuits. We also developed the Horus automated formal verification tool, which allows developers to annotate their Starknet smart contracts with simple specifications that the tool can then attempt to formally verify hold. If you join this team, you'll strengthen your functional programming skills. We mostly use Haskell and Lean, as well as your knowledge of formal methods, programming language semantics, and smart contract security.
Hello, my name is Lázaro. I'm tech lead at Nethermind, currently leading a smart contract developers in our DeFi research and development group. We are a group of blockchain and financial professionals that specializes in DeFi research and development for institutional clients. We deliver a wide range of services that help our clients tap into the power of blockchain technology and decentralized finance. If you join our team, you will get to explore a variety of services and projects that we work on. As part of our technical due diligence service, you will be involved in researching the latest happenings in the blockchain space. This means reviewing, for example, emerging stablecoins, staking products, bridges, oracles, and layer 2s. So you will develop technical knowledge about different aspects of the industry and underlying technology. And you will be involved in creating reports, summaries, and comparisons to dig even deeper into these developments. Interns also have the opportunity to gain hands-on experience in the exciting world of DeFi and explore topics like tokenization and derivatives, which are key aspects of our recent projects. You will work closely with our smart contract developers and contribute in every aspect of our projects. We also have some great opportunities for you to level up your engineering skills. You will gain experience by using on-chain data analytic tools to assist our clients and learn all about extracting, processing, and organizing data from the blockchain. Classifying transaction traces and extracting MEV data are among the tasks that you will face in the process of mastering the ins and outs of working with blockchain data. Another cool thing is that our engineers cover the full scope of development as they handle all the Web2 related work our clients need, along with integrating all the Web3 components into the systems we build. So if you are looking to become a full stack developer, our team will help you with that goal. So you will get the right guidance to participate both front-end and back-end development. Plus, you will dive into wallet, infrastructure, and monitoring related work, as well as all other off-chain interaction with the blockchain that our projects involve. Just like you, we are still in the early stages of the blockchain ecosystem. So we'd love to welcome you to our program and grow together. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Swapnil. I'm a theoretical computer scientist by training, and I specialize in compilers. At Nethermind, I lead the Starknet teams. Starknet, as you might already know, is a validity rollup. It uses ZK Starks to prove and compress computation from off-chain onto Ethereum. And together with these ZK proofs and the amazing community that we have in Starknet, we are scaling Ethereum. Since Starknet goes to scale Ethereum, we also get a chance to work with some of the most smartest people in the industry. We also focus a lot on developer tooling and developer experience for the Starknet developers. In the past, we've also worked with protocols to educate them about Starknet and also port their protocols onto Starknet, like we worked with Aave. The skills that you get to learn if you choose to work at the Starknet team at Nethermind are ZK Starks, P2P, consensus, database design, and so much more. And lastly, you'll also get the chance to make Ethereum the global settlement layer. Some of the cool projects that we do under the Starknet umbrella at Nethermind are Juno, which is a full node implementation in Golang. And the goal of Juno is to decentralize Starknet. So working on Juno, you learn about ZK Starks, P2P, consensus, incentive design, and so much more. And then there's Voyager, which is a block explorer. And the goal of Voyager is to make the data of Starknet accessible to everyone. The biggest problems we solve and the Voyager team are actually ingesting all the data for the entire network, then segregating it, indexing it, and making our data pipelines. So the skills we use are database design, algorithms and data structures, and cloud computing. And then there's Remix project for Starknet. And the idea of that is to enable a Starknet experience inside the Remix editor and make Remix the best place to start a new Starknet project. Experience with compilers, static analysis tools, and just really thinking about the developer experience is what we are doing at the Remix plugins. And lastly, take it from me. I started as a compiler engineer and now work on decentralizing Starknet, making the data accessible to everyone, and just helping the developer community. Working on Starknet has put me in touch with some of the smartest people and just some of the newest ideas in the industry. So yeah, come join one of the best teams in the industry.